Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Excel workbook stored in SharePoint. Make sure you edit in Excel for the web or desktop app. Once there, convert the data ranges to tables and give them clear names so Excel keeps references stable. You do this because Vlookup needs consistent table ranges. Without them, your links break across sessions. Make a mental note of the lookup column header and the return column header. You will reference those names directly in the formula. You place the active cell in the destination table row where the result should appear, then type the Vlookup formula referencing the structured table names. For example, equals Vlookup at order ID orders table 3 false. This finds the exact match in orders table and returns column 3. Once done, use match inside Vlookup if the return column position might change. Equals Vlookup at order ID orders table match amount. Orders table hash headers 0. You let the table autofill propagate the formula to every row. Tables handle relative structured references, so you rarely copy manually. Once filled, inspect any hash and slash or results. These indicate missing lookup keys. Handle them with IFR to show a default or message. If formulas behave differently for collaborators, make sure everyone opens the same Excel mode and that the SharePoint file is fully synced. As a troubleshooting tip, clear browser cache or reopen in desktop Excel when SharePoint link issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.